Welcome to GSL Gym City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali trim level. This beautiful white SUV is powered by the 3.6 liter V6 and mated up to the new 9-speed automatic transmission, and of course is all-wheel drive. Once in the interior of the very luxurious Denali Acadia, right on the door here we do have the power windows, power mirrors, hatch settings down the bottom there, and at the top memory seating and power locks. Moving on to the steering wheel here, black leather and heated. Of course, you have your forward collision warning, cruise control, speak to talk, and your dash controls. Only 6 kilometers on the dash here. This is a brand new Acadia. We do have the push button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls. We're moving down, we do have the AC controls here as well. Now there is no column shifter or automatic shifter in the middle, you may notice. That is because it is these buttons now. So we have the park, reverse, neutral, drive, and low, plus or minus. We do have the wireless charging, USB, auto stop start, traction control, parking sensors on all 4 sides, wood trim. This is a Denali, so it does come with the wood trim. Heated ventilated seats, lane keep assist, 4x4 dial. When the vehicle is not in 4-wheel drive, it is a front-wheel drive SUV, so keep that in mind. We do have the black leather interior with the white stitching, premium Bose audio system, and of course our luxurious leather Denali seats. Moving on to the exterior of the Acadia here, we do have those beautiful Denali 20-inch wheel and tire package. Look at those beautiful looking rims. We do have the color matched fender wells, front and rear bumper as well. Beautiful white frost paint job. You can see it in the sun. That metallic flake in it looks amazing. Because this is a Denali, we do have the chrome package on the door there, the window door handles themselves, and around the 2 front windows. We do have the roof rails up top there as well. Moving on to the back, LED tail lamps, LED daytime running lights in the front as well. Dual chrome exhaust tips coming out the rear. Beautiful chrome everywhere on this Denali. White paint job looks amazing. And right here, the hidden hitch. You just need 2 plastic screws removed and your hitch is exposed. You don't even need a tool. That's how easy it is. You can see all the cameras on this. This vehicle does have the bird's eye view camera as well. So if you're backing up to a trailer or just parking in a crowded parking lot, you're fully confident no matter what. All right, moving back into the interior here, getting to the good stuff. Second row is actually a 3-piece person bench seat. So kind of a rare combination inside of this Acadia Denali. Very cool feature. Both end seats are heated. We have the climate controls for the rear here, USB outlets, 120 volt outlet there as well. Very cool. Now these seats do fold up and up. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but you understand. Both of them do fold completely flat, 60-40 split, revealing the third row, 2 more chairs in the back, making this Acadia the 7-passenger. Very cool. We do have LED lighting throughout, AC vents up top all the way throughout. Everyone's going to be comfortable. We have the moonroof in the back here, sunroof up top. Very cool. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. Whenever you're ready to experience the luxury of a Denali, but the versatility and utility of the Acadia, come down and see us at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest.